Good morning, you guys. Back with another video. Today is all about the breakfast. There's that bacon in there frying. I'm going to bake some biscuits. And I'm planning on having bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Here's my cheese. Those are my eggs here. And this is what I'm planning on for breakfast this morning. Okay. And here's my coffee here. And I'll be right back. Here's the biscuits. They about to go in the oven, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, the biscuits is fresh out the oven. I just like to rub a little butter on them. Okay, so and I thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.